Today, the contract methodology that we have, we are hiring contractors from different countries. In the same project, we have concept designer from different country. We have basically local architect is somebody else, and you see that if you go 20 years back and look at a scenario that if you have people from different nations, different cities working on a project in Delhi, you would be very concerned how will we deliver this project. But today, it's actually not much of a concern. I won't say it has completely gone, but it's not much of a concern. Today you will find that people who are doing projects in Delhi may not be sitting here. People who are sitting in US are designing the project in Delhi. People who are sitting in Bombay may be designing the structural design. So it's actually, the information, this particular system has given a very beautiful platform of collaboration in terms of places. And then the processes. Now, giving the GFC at the site, and then after issuing the GFC at the site, the only thing that you have to do is basically go monitor, bring back the change, what is required. But now, in the IPD process, when we will talk about, what you're trying to do is you're taking contractor on board. A typical model where still today you will see that most of the contractors are appointed on item rates. What you need is basically a plus minus 10%, 20% parametric quantity, which basically can give a holistic idea for a contractor to build. If those quantities are provided and some base engagement arrangement is done, now contractor sits with you in the detailed design phase to finalize the drawing. That might extend the design time a little bit. Maybe if initially we used to assume about 6 months, it might require 10 months or basically 8 months. But it will definitely result in a much better construction process.